Good evening, welcome to Tar Nation. Tonight we were watching the Jones Show, or the Infowars.com, Alex Jones, whatever the hell, that stuff. And we were watching Gerald Celente, which I love Gerald Celente. He's a great trends research, whatever the hell. His stuff is good. He says great stuff. He's hilarious. He's a funny guy. He's a cool guy. Anyway, problem is though is that I like Harry Dent better, and it's not like I like him better. It's that just he seems to be more right. And so, what I'm trying to say is, I was watching Gerald Celente, and he was saying that he would get into gold in this great crash of the markets. And then basically I'm saying is that yeah, you can get into gold to save yourself from the losses, but we don't want to just not lose money. We want to make money. So basically what I'm trying to say is he said, oh, you know, like the Canadian dollar's down like almost 30% against the American dollar, and you know, if you'd have stayed in the Canadian dollar, you'd be down so much. If you'd have stayed in gold, you'd have been even. Yeah, you'd have been even. If you'd have been into the stock UVXY, and if you go into that and check that, it's January 16th of 2016 right now. And if you check that stock for the first 2 weeks of trading in the year, it's been up almost double. It basically doubled its money in 2 weeks. So you want to talk about gold not losing money? How about doubling your money in the first 2 weeks of the year, of the biggest crash year since the stock market's ever opened? So I'm just saying, let's try and play the game, not just park our money somewhere. Anyways, point is that this is not a, what do you call that? This is not financial tips, or this is not blah blah blah. This is just me ranting about how I think that Harry Dent and the demographic research is seems to be more useful than Gerald Celente and the trends research. Like I was saying, really, you can look at trends and say, well, these are the trends and this is what's happening, but we don't know why they're happening. You look at the demographics and you find these are the demographics, and that's why the trends are the way they are. So basically, yeah, check out Harry Dent, and check out UVXY, and maybe all those other stocks that are shorting the major markets, because that's how to make money. Well, that's how I made money in the last 2 weeks anyway. That's how to make money when the stock market goes down. Anyway, this video's probably shit. Thanks for watching Tar Nation. Look at our pretty plants.